In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make dotted line in Affinity Designer. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer and open a document you want to work in. You can use an existing file or create a new canvas. Any size is fine. The key is that we're going to draw a path and then convert its stroke into a dotted style. On the left toolbar, select the pencil tool. This tool lets you draw a freehand path quickly if precision is important. Zoom in a bit so you can place your line exactly where you want it. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your line. It can be straight, curved, or even a simple squiggle, whatever you need for your design. If you prefer perfectly straight segments, the pen tool is another option, but the pencil will work great for this demonstration. With your path still selected, head over to the right side of the interface and open the stroke panel. It typically sits in the studio panels on the right. If you don't see it, you can enable it from the studio menu so it becomes visible. In the stroke panel, you'll find all the controls that define how your line looks, including width, caps, joins, and style. Under style, choose the dashed line option. This converts your solid stroke into a pattern. To turn that pattern into clean dots, increase the stroke width to the size you want your dots to be, set the cap to round so the ends become circular, and adjust the dash and gap values so the dash is very short and the gap creates the spacing you like. A tiny dash with a round cap reads as a dot. Tweak the gap to make the dots closer together or farther apart, and preview the result directly on your canvas as you adjust. You can change the color of the dots by clicking the stroke color swatch, and you can duplicate your dotted line for consistent styling elsewhere in your design. If you need the dots to follow a precise path, you can edit nodes with the node tool to reshape the line without losing the dotted style. When you're happy with the look, save your document so these settings are preserved. That's all there is to it. Draw a path with the pencil tool, open the stroke panel, switch to dashed style and fine-tune the dash, gap, round caps, and width to achieve a clean dotted line in Affinity Designer.